If you want to start earning money online but feel confused about where to begin, this message is for you. Many beginners do not fail because they lack ability. They fail because they do not have a clear starting path. Today, there is too much information online. You see different methods. You see fast money promises. You see success screenshots. But no one explains the full process in a simple and realistic way. Because of this, many people start and then stop. Not because they cannot do it, but because they feel lost. When I found this guided learning system, my first feeling was relief. It was not focused on shortcuts. It was focused on learning the right foundation first. That made a big difference for me. What makes this system different is that it is step by step. You do not need to guess what to do next. It focuses on building digital income the right way, not chasing trends. It also provides structure and guidance, which is very important for beginners. When you have structure, you move faster and with more confidence. If you want quick money, this is not for you. But if you want to learn properly and build something long-term, this is worth exploring. If you want to learn more, you can check the link below. Start slow. Learn properly. Stay consistent. That is how real online income is built.